What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. Pega applications are built to automate business processes, and every process is basically a set of actions that help you achieve a specific goal, like processing loan requests. In the last video, we explored how to define these actions in Pega using case types. If you missed it, the link's in the description or the card above. Go check it out. Now in this video, we will look at how to define the people involved in a business process. Let's jump right in. Log in to your Pega platform and open the loan request case type that we created in the last video. The loan approval process typically involves these steps: submission of the loan request by the customer, review of the submitted request by the loan officer, eligibility check by the loan officer, credit and risk assessment by the underwriter, final approval or rejection by the manager. Now, can you identify the people or user roles involved in this process? Take a moment. Pause the video if you need to. Ready? Is the customer, loan officer, underwriter, and manager. These are referred to as personas in Pega. Let's see how you can define them in Pega. We will start by associating them with the loan request case type. You can only link personas to case types in App Studio. So make sure you're in App Studio. In the case type, head over to the Personas and Channels section. This is where you can link personas and channels to the individual stages within the case type. Remember, we defined all these stages in the last video, right? We will first link the customer persona to the first stage, since the actions or steps in that stage are performed by the customer. In the first stage, click Add Persona, New Persona. Enter a name and description, choose an avatar, and click Submit. Just like that, the customer persona is added to the first stage with Work Portal as the default channel. But let's say the customer submits the loan request through a mobile app instead. So we will replace the default channel with the mobile app for customers. Click Add Channel, Mobile. Enter a name and hit Submit. Finally, remove the default Work Portal channel. Let's move on to the second, third, and fourth stages. In the second stage, the loan officer checks if the customer meets the basic eligibility criteria. In the third stage, the underwriter performs a detailed credit and risk assessment. And in the fourth stage, the manager approves or rejects the loan request. So we will add the loan officer persona to the second stage, the underwriter persona to the third, and the manager persona to the fourth. Each persona might use a different channel to work on loan requests. Let's say all three will use their own web portals. So we will replace the default channel in each of these stages with a loan officer portal, an underwriter portal, and a manager portal. To do that, click Work Portal, select Create New, enter a name, and hit Submit. Repeat the same steps for the underwriter portal and the manager portal. Sometimes a persona might access loan requests through multiple channels. To reflect that, you can add more than one channel to the persona. For example, let's say the manager will also use a mobile app for managers in a future release. In that case, we will add another channel, mobile, to the manager persona. Click the default customer app, select Create New, enter a name, and hit Submit. Now let's tag each channel to the appropriate release. We will tag the Manager portal to MLP1 release and the Manager app to MLP2. Let's do the same for the remaining channels. They will all be tagged to MLP1 release. Don't forget to save your changes. Listing personas along with their channels and actions in this way makes it easy to see who's involved in each stage of the business process, what actions they perform, and how they access the system. Now here's how you can view the personas created in the system. Click Users in the left navigation pane, then select User Management. Under the Personas tab, you'll see a list of all the personas. You can also add new ones directly from the screen. The People tab lets you add the actual users who are involved in your business process. Let's add a customer, John, and two managers, Manager 1 and Manager 2. Similarly, you can add users for the other personas, Loan Officer and Underwriter. You can also edit the basic user details from here. To view the available channels, click Channels in the left navigation pane. All your channel interfaces will be listed here. You can also create a new one right from here. Like I always say, Pega is all about rules and data instances. When you create personas, users, and channels, a bunch of rules and data instances are automatically generated behind the scenes. Let's switch over to Dev Studio and take a quick look at what got created. We will use the Records Explorer to review them. I've explained the Records Explorer in detail in my Dev Studio tutorial. If you missed it, the link's in the description or the card above. Go check it out. Now back to the auto-generated records. First, a portal rule is created for each channel we added. Second, an access group is created for every persona we defined. Let's open one, say the manager access group. In the available portals section, we will add manager portal. Just press the down arrow key to open the list, then choose manager portal from there. You will need to do the same for each persona. Manually add the appropriate portal to their respective access group. And finally, an operator ID instance is created for each user we added. Let's open the one for Manager 1. We'll make a couple of changes under the Security tab. Click Update Password and enter an initial password. Then deselect Use External Authentication. So the system uses the local Pega database to authenticate the user at login. Don't forget to save your changes. Next, open a new browser session and log in as this user to test their access and portal view. The system will prompt you to change the password, enter a new one and confirm it. Once you're logged in, you'll see the default view of the portal. You can customize it to match your specific needs. But that's a conversation for another day. That's it for this video. Hope it gave you a clear understanding of how to define the people involved in your business process in Pega. If it did, go ahead and hit that like button. In the next video, we will dive into how to define the data required by your business process in Pega. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. And hey, if you've got questions or need Pega training, feel free to DM me on Instagram. The link's in the description. I'll catch you in the next one.